When you see overnight, there's a trend direction, but after the London Open, the market moves very slowly, then you should be alerted. There could be a reversal when the New York opens. In terms of the reversal pattern, we have V reversal, double bottom, double top reversals, head and shoulders reversals. Those are very traditional ones. We also have other patterns. Here's an example of the double bottom reversal, and the chart is the GBP CAD 5 minutes on July the 26th, 2022. Let's have a look. First, let's do some basic analysis. We have drawn all the lines, the important levels on the chart, and also we figure out the London Open. We can see that after the London Open, the market moves very, very slowly. So we are waiting for a signal to tell us what kind of reversal it is and then trade accordingly. After New York opens, we see a double bottom. We can see that here we have the double bottom, and then here we have a breakout. This is breakout because this high is higher than the previous major high. So this setup is the traditional setup for the double bottom reversal. Then what we want to do is to trade the pullback. Another thing you should notice is that there's also a trendline break. We have the trendline, so the market is in a very slow down channel here, and then suddenly it breaks. So this is a very good confirmation for the double bottom reversal. We'll go long after we see the pullback. This bull bar didn't trigger, this bull bar didn't trigger, and this bull bar triggers. So we enter the market after this bull bar finishes. And then in terms of the profit target, all the major highs previously should be the profit target. Here is one. You can see that it meets the target. Here's another one. The previous day's high, it meets the target. And then in total, we can see if you capture this leg up and then until the top of the previous high, you're going to make roughly 60 pips.